A third type of vehicle involves driver-monitored automation. In some cases, these are cars. In some cases, they're trucks. But in every case, the idea is that there's automation to take care of the mundane driving tasks, but there's continuous driver supervision, and the human driver, is responsible for safety. These vehicles are already in production and out on the roads. The safety approach is it's up to the human to monitor, and it's up to the human to maintain safety. There have been a number of mishaps, including extensive press coverage of multiple fatalities involving Tesla crashes. The findings of investigations have been that driver complacency is a real issue. In many cases, the drivers were not paying attention as they're supposed to when supervising automation. And also incidents that happen very quickly. In some cases, it's less than 10 seconds between everything being okay and the fatality occurring, which indicates that the driver can't simply check in every once in a while, but really does need to pay continuous attention to what's happening on the road. Also, in Tempe, Arizona, there was a fatality involved in testing a more capable vehicle, but during tests, the driver was responsible for safety. So in operation, it was effectively a driver-monitored automation system.